Despite being 93 million miles away, a colossal hole in the sun's surface is causing concern as it could unleash havoc on Earth later this week. NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory has captured an image of a triangular-shaped dark gap, a coronal hole, that surpasses Earth's size by 20 times. This unprecedented coronal hole is sending solar winds hurtling towards our planet at a staggering speed of 1.8 million miles per hour, with expected impacts on Friday. Coronal holes, although common, are areas of open magnetic fields from which high-speed solar winds escape into space, potentially disrupting satellites, power grids, and GPS navigation systems. This event follows a larger coronal hole, around 30 times the size of Earth, discovered on March 23rd, which resulted in solar winds triggering stunning auroras as far south as Arizona. The gaseous material from this new hole is flowing from a relatively small opening in the sun's atmosphere currently facing Earth. SpaceWeather.com predicts the likelihood of Arctic auroras when the solar wind arrives. Coronal holes are regions of open magnetic fields visible as dark areas in the sun's outermost atmosphere, the corona. They appear dark due to lower temperatures and density compared to the surrounding plasma. Some coronal holes can occupy up to a quarter of the sun's surface. First spotted by NASA's Skylab in the 1970s, scientists remain uncertain about their formation. These holes may emerge at any point in the solar cycle, occurring roughly every 11 years, but they are most prevalent during the declining phase. Solar Cycle 25, ongoing since 2019, is expected to continue until 2030. The solar wind, a steady stream of particles, flows more strongly through coronal holes, leading to increased outflow of charged particles from the sun. Solar wind leaving through a coronal hole can reach speeds of up to 1.8 million miles per hour, significantly faster than the usual solar wind. When these particles reach Earth, they can cause geomagnetic storms, temporary disturbances of the Earth's magnetosphere. Although Earth's magnetic field acts as a shield against direct impact, the solar wind can deform it, affecting electronic systems in satellites, potentially leading to disruptions in navigation systems, threats to spacecraft and astronauts, and disturbances in power grids. While experts believe this coronal hole might not result in a major geomagnetic storm, caution is advised. Dr. Daniel Verscharen from University College London suggests that fast solar wind streams, typical of coronal holes, may drive moderate space weather but might not cause significant damage. However, the situation underscores the vulnerability of our technological infrastructure to solar activity, with the possibility of unforeseen consequences. As we await Friday's impact, ongoing monitoring and updates from reliable sources are crucial. What are your thoughts on the potential consequences of the solar winds from the massive coronal hole? Share your perspectives in the comments section below, and stay connected with us for more insightful updates on science, technology, and the ever-evolving world around us. Be informed and exercise caution with electronic devices susceptible to disruptions during potential geomagnetic events.